Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Hongtang. This is presentation for assignment 4 of BDAT1007. Okay, let's begin. So it's about Azure Cognitive Service. Let's see the to-do list. First step is create a new project. Second is create text and choose training images. Third is upload and tag images. The fourth is training the classifier. The last evaluate the classifier. Before that, I already found some pictures. So let's go to the website. Custom Vision the AI. So first is create a project. I will name it as demo2. Okay, so we choose furniture and classifier, and this one choose multiple label, use domain general. Okay, create. Then let's add text. Text first is okay, furniture. Second is chair. Okay. Third is desk. Okay. Then is a cabinet. Okay. The last is oh no, the last one. Then there is a couch. Okay, then I will add image that I have collected. First for bed. So every time we add it to individual, desk and the furniture total. We must bear in mind that we should choose pictures of different variety, like different angle, different background, and wow, it's a long time. So then I will do the same thing with the rest. So totally I upload 49 pictures to 5 tags. Then let's do the training job. I will choose quick training. Okay. So after a few minutes, we get the result of the first training. We can see there are 3 index, precision, perfect, and recall a little low, and AP is the total performance. It's also pretty good. And also we can see there is a probability threshold is 50%. So it means that the confidence of the result. So when we check it to see what will happen. Okay, so when we lower the threshold, we can see that the precision reduced, and also the AP but record increased. So it means that with lower threshold, there may be more pictures can be recognized, but the precision of them may be lower. So when we pull it to the right one, so it increased the precision but reduced the recall. It means that less pictures are recognized but with higher precision. Okay, so let's let it go back to 50% to do the quick test. Okay. Okay, the first one. Oh, it's Okay, the highest is desk. Correct. Okay, the second one. Let's give it see what happened. Yeah, it's a chair. Correct. Okay, so I will give you something not furniture. It's a flower, so see what's the result. Oh, um, but I think the result shows something is that furniture is very low, so it already detects that it's not a kind of furniture. Okay, then I will increase the challenge to put two items in one picture. Yeah, so it also detects there is a desk and also there is a chair. And another challenge is that if something makes the features of two text, this one is some kind of couch and chair, so the couch and chair all gets a very high score. Okay, so let's go back. Uh, there's another interesting thing is that the desk one is pretty low. It's recall only 50% and AP 80, 83%. So I'm thinking, why not add some more features to it to see whether we can increase the recall. Then I go back to, okay, add more features. Okay. So first I will add more features to chair. And also add more features to desk. Also do quick training. Okay, after a few minutes, we can see the result of training. Yes, as I expect, after I almost double the picture of the desk and chair, and also boosted their number of records to 100% and chair with 75%, and also increased the total number of the recall, and also the AP reached 100. But we must notice that there is a long net unbalanced data detect. Because I have added too many pictures to the desk and chair, so may imbalance between different texts. So remember that every time we need to add almost the same or similar number to every text. Okay, so let me go to the conclusion part. So first, the Azure service, it can detect several items in a picture. As I showed a chair and a desk. Second, you can detect an item, branding classification of different tags, and give number of each one tag separately. Yes, like just now, yes, couch like a chair look like a couch, so both of text give a high score. The third one is need to compare data until the same probability threshold. The last is add more features to a certain tag can improve individual and total recall and AP. Okay, that's my presentation. Thanks.